Hi, I just wanted to do a quick showcase of how I achieve consistent key bindings between my personal Linux machine and my work computer here, this Mac. This should in principle work the same if you have a Windows machine in here as well. What do I mean by consistent key bindings? So on Linux you have Control C, Control C, Control V for copy and paste. And on Mac, it's with Command, which if you're using a shared keyboard like this, you would either have to mess with the firmware or you would just have to use different keys, which is obviously annoying. So what I wanted to have the same, so Control and then C to do copy and paste on both machines. And if we go here to the Mac, we can see that this is the Control key, Control C, Control V works the same as it does on the Linux. Yeah, my reasoning, like I said, I had already set up the Mac. Like I had already suffered through the transition period of getting used to the key bindings, but it's just with the keyboard, I want to have my window management and my browsing to use the same key bindings. Just have everything consistent through the one keyboard. And the way that I set this up, and I know you cannot read the code very well through this, there will be an article in the description where I have all the code and a whole description for what I'm doing here. But the way that this works is you use carabiner elements, and then you the from here is you translate Control C, so that's the input, to Command C, which is what you use for pasting, for copy pasting on Mac. So yeah, and carabiner does all the heavy lifting. I do nothing on the Linux. The Linux is the source of truth. So the Mac just has to adjust to the Linux bindings. Yeah, that's basically it.